Hello students, in today's class you will learn transpiration in plants. So let's see what is transpiration. Transpiration is the process of water movement through a plant and its evaporation from aerial parts such as leaves, stem and flowers. In this picture you can see this is a section of a leaf in which small openings on the underside of leaves are called stomata. Small openings are present on the underside of leaves and that opening is called as stomata, and loss of water occurs through this stomata. As water is necessary for the plant, means water which is absorbed by the roots is necessary for the plant for growth and metabolism, but only a small quantity of water is utilized by the plant and rest 97 to 99.5% of water is lost by transpiration and guttation. Next is transpiration pull. As a result of transpiration, a suction force is created in the aerial part of the plant, and that force causes the water to be pulled up from the roots to the stem and then leaves. Now see what is transpiration pull. Transpiration pull could be simply defined as a biological process in which the force of pulling is produced inside the xylem tissue. This force helps in upward movement of water into the xylem vessel. In the given picture you can see there is loss of water by transpiration occurs from the surface of leaf, and due to this loss of water a suction pressure is created, and that suction pressure results in the upward movement of water from the root, and this upward movement of water is called capillarity. Now next see what is capillary action. Xylem tissues are in the form of capillary tubes. Capillary tubes you can means very less diameter, where narrower the diameter, greater is the force of movement of water molecules upward. In the given picture you can see diameter is, in the second picture diameter is very less, so the movement of water is fast, and in the first one the movement of water is slow because diameter is large. Whenever the xylem vessel lie empty, such as during the loss of water by transpiration, the water from the below rises into them by a capillary force. In the previous slide you have seen, when there is loss of water by the process of transpiration occurs in the aerial part of the plant, a suction force is created and water rises by a capillary force. Water molecules are pulled up due to their tendency of remaining together, that is called as cohesion, and stick to the sides of the xylem vessel, that is called as adhesion. Means when water rises in the xylem vessel, the molecules they remain together by a, and that is called cohesion, and they also stick on the wall of xylem vessel, that is called as adhesion. So there is in the water molecules two type of force is there: cohesion, which helps them, the water molecules, to remain together, and adhesion, by which the water molecules stick to the wall of xylem vessel. Next is factors which affect the rate of transpiration. First factor is, means there are major 4 factors are there which affect the rate of transpiration. First is light intensity, means sunlight. Second, temperature. Third, air movement, means wind. And the fourth one, humidity. See the first one, that is light intensity, means sunlight. During daytime, the rate of transpiration is faster because the stomata remain open to allow inward diffusion of carbon dioxide for photosynthesis. And during night time, stomata closes and transpiration also becomes slow down. So light intensity means more the intensity of light, more the process of transpiration will occur. Second, temperature. Temperature is faster on hot summer days due to faster evaporation of water occurs. Means more the temperature, more the evaporation will occur. Third one, air movement, means wind. Transpiration is more when the wind is blowing faster, as water vapor moves away faster from the surface of leaves. So more the movement of wind, more the transpiration will occur. Last one, humidity. Transpiration is reduced if the air is humid. Humidity means the presence of water molecules in the air. So transpiration is reduced when air is humid. Air cannot hold water molecules when it is already laden with moisture. So more the humidity in air, lesser will be the transpiration. Next, importance of transpiration. Transpiration produces a cooling effect in the plant and helps leaves withstand high temperature. Second point, helps in absorption of water and minerals from the soil. Third one, causes the transport of water and minerals in plants. Uses of water in the plant. Water is used up for the process of transportation and food production and cooling. Transportation, water is in the plant body, both in xylem and phloem, transports substances in a solution form from one part to another part. And water is also utilized for food production. As you know that water is utilized, means water is used up in the process of photosynthesis for food production. And the third one, cooling. The heat utilized when water is when water is lost by the process of transpiration from the surface of leaves in the form of water vapor induces a cooling effect. Now the next is, and the last topic of this chapter, that is importance of minerals. Nutrient elements are essential for the plants to grow well and complete their life cycle properly. There are two types of nutrients, that is macronutrients and micronutrients. First see macronutrients. Macro means large. The nutrients which are required in large concentrations are called macronutrients. Examples are nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. And this group of macronutrients is called NPK. N for nitrogen, P for phosphorus and K for potassium. Now the second category of nutrients is micronutrients. Micro means small, and these nutrients are required in small amount. For an example, iron, manganese and zinc. Now today's homework, no extra questions I have given you. So today's your homework is complete exercise questions. Thank you.